When there is a problem, when there is a need, when someone needs help, bystanders watch, but neighbors act. And through Springs Rescue Mission's Neighbors Act campaign, every organization in our city can make a difference. Last year at Springs Rescue Mission, we served over 85,000 free meals to the hungry. We also gave away groceries, clothing, and furniture to 5,500 families. We saw 54 men enter our recovery program, saving our city over $1 million in support services. We were able to do that because organizations like yours took action.
Hi, my name is Lashana Richardson.
My name is Joel Wood.
And we are both employees of T. Rowe Price. When our associates went down to volunteer, we did invite them to bring down coats to different clothing items that they may not have use for anymore, that someone else could have a second life for.
Well, I always wanted to do something. It seems like the Springs Rescue Mission was kind of on the same path that we were on, and I liked the way they did it, and it was a good place for me to reach out to the public and to our community through the Springs Rescue Missions.
My name is Autumn Gathara, and this is Lewis Palmer Middle School. I'm a 7th grade teacher here. We had 60 students on our team, and they were very interested in meeting the needs of the local community here in El Paso County. Working with Springs Rescue was one of the really nice things about this project. We really found this a very rewarding experience, both personally for myself, the other teachers and the rest of the school personnel that I worked with, along with the students themselves, found this to be not just rewarding for us, but it was, of course, very helpful to the mission.
This year, your organization can make a big difference to those in need. Host a Neighbors Act collection drive. We have everything you'll need to get started, from collection boxes to flyers to a step-by-step guide on how to host your drive. Don't be a bystander. Take action. Sign up at neighborsact.com or call us at 719-314-2366. Bystanders watch, but neighbors act.